Hello and welcome, boys, in your math class. Today in maths, we are going to learn a new lesson. We are on Unit 1A and our lesson is 10. The name of our lesson is Clock Pairs. What is the name, boys? Clock Pairs. And it is on page number 13 of your learner's book. Again, Clock Pairs, page number 13 of your learner's book. So open your books, boys, and be ready. Okay. In this lesson, clock pairs, we are going to learn how to make number pairs for 12. If you remember, in the last class, we have made number pairs of 20. So today what we are going to do, we are going to uh, make number pairs of 12 with the help of clock. So here are the words that we are going to learn in this lesson. First one is clock and pairs. Clock pairs. See, here are different types of clocks. Some you can say alarm clock, watches, and other clock. Watch that we wear in the hand, and there is a clock, wall clock. This is a clock that we put on wall. Here is the clock that we wear. You can say watch that we wear in our hand, and here is the alarm clock. So what is the purpose of showing this alarm watches? This purpose of this is that we have to use these numbers from 1 to 12 to make number pairs of number 12 using two numbers. So here we have clock face. You can see the small one tells us hours and the big needle tells us minutes. Hours and minutes. With the small handle, we can know about what is the hour, and with the big handle, we can know what are the minutes. Understand, boys? So here are fact families of 12. So we are going to use these watches to make fact family of 12. It's the same like we have done for number 20. So in this 12, what we are going to use, we are going to use watches. Like here, you can see where is the small handle, boys? It is on 2 and the big handle is on 10. When we add 10 plus 2, it is 12. Again, you can see the small handle is on 10 and the big handle is on 2. So 10 plus 2 is equals 12. Okay. Now see how can we make 12 with the help of number line. So here is the number line, boys, and here is the watch. You can see here are the different types of numbers from 1 to 12. So you are going to use these numbers to make 12. So first pair is 2 and 10. 2 plus 10. So what we are going to do, we are going to count from 2 to 12. To where we are going to count? From 2 to 12. What comes after 2? 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 10 equals 12. Okay, let's see one more example, boys. 3 plus something equals 12. So star is on 3 and we have to count till 12 to find out the number pair that we are going to make with the 3 to make 12. So count after 3, 4. Keep this in your mind, boys. When I say after, you don't have to count 3. Means you have to count the number that comes next to the 3. You don't have to include the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So what is our answer? 3 plus 9 equals 12. Okay, let's see one more example. We have done with the 2, we have done it with the 3. Now we are going to do it with the 4, of course, with the help of number line. So you don't have to make different number lines each time. In your notebook, you can draw only one number line and you can use the one number line for rest of the questions. So here, 4 plus something equals 12. Here is 4 on the number line. You have to mark where is the place of 4. So after 4, count till 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 8 equals 12. So you can also do it like this, 8 plus 4 equals 12. So other way around, it's going to be the same answer, but your answer should be 12 in all the cases. Whatever two numbers you have to add, your answer should always be 12 because you are making number pairs for 12. Like yesterday, we did number pairs for 20. So today we are going to do number pairs of 12. So here, next word, next star is on 5. So from 5, we are going to count till 12. Count with me, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 5, we are going to add 7 to make 12. Okay, next example. So till 5 I have done, and the rest you are going to try it by yourself. So next we have 10. What is the place of 10? Here on the clock, you can see. So 10. What we are going to add in 10 to make 12? Super easy. 1 and 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So boys, you can use different numbers to make pairs of 12. So for now, we are going to do a class task. Here is a class task. Match to make pair of 10. So what we are going to do, we are going to match two numbers to make pair of 10. If you like, I'm going to make one pair and rest you are going to make the pair by yourself. So first of all, I'm going to make a pair that equals 10. Here we have to make pair of 10. So I'm going to add 5 with 5. I'm going to match 5 with 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So this was super easy. So the rest of the task is yours, boys. You are going to solve it now. If you finish task number 1, look, this is task number 1. So if you are going to finish task number 1, we are going to move on to the next task. So boys, write these numbers in your notebooks and complete the task. After that, we are going to move on to our second task. We have to make 10 here. You can see all those numbers you are going to add with them. The answer should be 10. So 6 plus something equals 10. Something plus 5 equals 10. 9 plus something equals 10. 2 plus something equals 10. 4 plus something equals 10, and 3 plus something equals 10. So this is task number 2 for you boys. Try to solve it in your notebook so that you can able to move on to the task number 3. So boys, here the two numbers you are going to add to make 10. So I have chose number 2. 2 plus 8 equals 10. So you can do it other way around also. So hurry up, this is your task number 3, completed boys before the end of the period.